Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel TechieMaven. In this channel, we are going to launch SQL tutorial for beginners. It provides basic and advanced concepts of SQL. It is mostly useful for both beginners and also working professionals. So let's get started. So basically, what is SQL? In short form, it is structured query language and it is pronounced as SQL or sometimes as SQL. SQL is a standard language for storing, manipulating, and retrieving data in databases. It is like a language we use to communicate with RDBMS software. So, what is RDBMS software? We will get to know about RDBMS in later portion of the video. Before we get to know about what is RDBMS, first we have to know what is DBMS. DBMS stands for Database Management System. So the name itself indicates that it is a system. It manages the databases. So DBMS is a software we use to maintain and manage databases. So how to maintain and manage databases? It has two factors. One is security and another one is authentication. By using these two factors, we have to maintain and manage the databases. Now we get to know about what is relational model. It is a concept designed by data scientist E.F. Cott. In relational model, we store the data in the form of tables. When we store the data in the form of tables, it is called as relational model. For example, any DBMS software, if it follows a relational model, that means storing the data in the form of tables, then it is known as RDBMS software. So now we get to know about the concept of RDBMS. What is RDBMS? RDBMS stands for Relational Database Management System. So what is relational model? Relational model means we have to store the data in the form of tables. So same concept. Any DBMS software, if it stores the data in the form of tables, it becomes RDBMS. Or else if DBMS follows EF code rule, then it becomes RDBMS. So what is EF code rule? We have discussed this in later portion of this video. Now let me discuss about the concept of EF code, which is implemented by the data scientist EF code. Data stored in a cell must be a single value data. For example, in a database, the data are stored in the form of tables. Each cell must contain one single value data. It will not double the data or triple the data. Only one data will be accepted. Another rule is we store the data in the form of tables including metadata. So what is metadata? Information about another data. So in RDBMS we have to store everything in the form of tables including metadata. According to EF code, we can store the data in multiple tables. If needed, we can establish connection between two tables using key attributes. So we have to store the data in multiple tables. If we needed in connection between the tables, we have to use key attributes. What is key attributes? It is like primary key. By using primary key, we can establish a connection between multiple tables. The another rule, we can validate the data entered into the table in two steps by assigning data types by assigning constraints. Here data types are mandatory whereas constraints are optional. We will get to know more details about constraints and data types in later series. So these are the concepts we must know before we deep dive into the SQL. So thanks for watching and subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you.